Hello there. Thank you very much, my course learner, my facilitator, Wen Shao, for giving me such a wonderful opportunity to tell about the web-based application. So basically, this is the part of the assessments number one, then number two, and the number three assessment. So this is the continuation of all those assessments which we've been working for. So question number one has been really answered in a video, which is separately in a video of around 7 to 10 minutes. As you can see on that, how the creation, addition, and basically the major functional requirements are met there, how the prototype meets the ABC University requirements, and they all are clearly there. So that in that app, so you can clearly see that how the addition, the capacity, the timetable designing, the editing, and the online payment, the creation, and the classes, removal, how management is connected. So this all you can see on that video which answered the part A. So we come towards the second question which you asked, which is the part B. Yes. The advantage of the type of application of choice over the other. So we design a web application. So what's the advantage of the web application over the app? So number one is the number one I would say is the no more updating issues. Like if it's web design, so I can access it from any device I want. So I don't. It doesn't mean that I need to install it on every single device. I have to keep promoting my app to everybody that this is the app, download it now. So it's number one is no more updating issues. App needs to be installed in every system, so no requirement because it's the web, so you can access it from anywhere you want. And another thing is the less money, more power. So you can use it from any device. There is not any device requirement. And number three I would say is the platform happy. You can access it from any Windows, XP 10, Linux, from any browser. It's much easier for the programmer to code on that. So another is the quick development cycles, and another is the improved security and the flexibility of the internet support. In perfect world, user would never need to access support. Every program and every computer would just work perfectly. So if it's web-based, so everything, you doesn't require anything like, anything you can want to access. So the system is fully loaded. So anything you want to access, it's too easy to get that information or whatever you want to apply or anything. So that's why most of the ABC, most of the universities have their web-based applications. It is too easy to access it on the web. So rarely we come across. Yes, when we get the admission, when we get the enrolled, then we got an app, change of subjects, our timetable, our other things, Blackboard, we can access on that. But initially when we are coming, so mostly the universities had the web-based applications. And another thing is higher usage rates. So everybody has the access, so everybody can access that. Another is user tracking and offline use. So that's the difference of the of the edge of the website on web-based on the mobile app. Third question is asked is how much each actor in the system will interact with system, is how they will be able to complete their task through the system. So this question is completely um, given in the detail in the other video, how the actors are interacting with each other, how they will be able to complete the task through the system, any deletion, any addition, or anything, like as we go to the requirements, um, as the functional requirements or the prototypes of the enrollment system, like you want to report, analyze student arrangement systems, designing, editing option, so sequence of different subjects, design course outline, defining prerequisites, editing and assigning program descriptors, online payment options. So all of these are very well described in the video um, and in the app. So uh, yeah, that's all from the part B, and yeah, so um, let me look if we have any other thing to cover. mm, yeah, that's all. So successfully all the requirements and the prototypes and sorry, the business requirements of ABC are met. um, if you go in that, you will see how they are analyzed in video. Every command and everything is there, so it will clearly show you how it's accessible and how we meet the requirements of all. Thank you very much. I appreciate.